How many times have you walked into your bedroom and thought, something just doesn't feel quiet right? Maybe it's too cluttered, doesn't match your personality, or it's just time to give your bedroom a facelift. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the one room we all retreat to at the end of the day, the bedroom. I'm here to spill the tea on 10 bedroom design mistakes you might be making. First off, we've got the infamous random accent wall. Yes, I'm talking about that rogue wall in your bedroom that you decided needed a dash of colour. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for colours, but let's make it a part of the design. If you're really into colour and want an accent wall, don't just halt at the wall. Carry that colour into the room. For a blue wall, get some blue textiles, blue accessories, or even blue artwork. And remember, variety is the spice of life, so mix up the shades of blue to create a harmonious blend. At the end of the day, cohesiveness is key. Next up, let's talk about the big no colour for bedrooms, red. Unless you're trying to turn your bedroom into a scene from a risky novel, let's steer clear of red. It's a high-intensity colour that could send the wrong message. Instead, opt for more calming, soothing hues that promote relaxation. Moving on, let's address the overuse of tufting. Now, don't get me wrong, I understand the allure of the plush, luxurious look, but moderation is key. Tufting is like a rich dessert. A little can be delightful, but too much can be overwhelming. And not to mention, it can make your room look outdated pretty quickly. Instead of having every piece of furniture tufted, stick with 1 or 2 items. Next, we have the trap of buying furniture sets. Yes, your parents might have done it. Yes, it might seem easy to just buy the whole set. But guess what? It's a trap. Now, I know it might seem easier to get everything in one place, but let's challenge that notion. In this modern age, with an abundance of beautiful pieces out there from different stores, why limit ourselves to one style or one brand? Mix and match different materials like wood, metal, or even marble, and create a room that truly reflects your personality. Go for a chest of drawers like the Marm from IKEA, an area rug from West Elm, a nightstand from Pottery Barn, and maybe even a nice infinity mirror from CB2. Trust me, this will give your bedroom a beautiful look. Speaking of furniture, let's move on to the next mistake, which is related to furniture placement. When arranging your furniture, don't push everything against the walls. It makes the room feel like a waiting room and not a cozy, inviting space that a bedroom should be. The aim is to create a space that is functional but also warm and inviting. And it isn't going to look very warm and inviting if you've cramped 15 different furniture pieces into your bedroom because you're a bit of a hoarder and can't part ways with a piece. Minimalism is what you need to keep in mind. This next thing is something I see more and more every day. You won't believe the number of times I've been on Pinterest and seen this come up on my feed. Unless you're living in a cathedral with soaring ceilings, there's no need for your headboard to reach the heavens. Instead, choose a headboard that's proportional to your room and bed size, and use the extra wall space for art or a beautiful gallery wall, or even placing a dressing mirror. Ideally, unless you're decorating your bedroom like a hotel where your headboard extends from one end of the room to the other and has built-in lights and nightstands into it, stick to a maximum of 1 to 2 inches coming out of the side. Next on our list is patterns. Pattern play can be fun, but too much can become overwhelming. Introducing different patterns and prints requires a keen eye to ensure they work together harmoniously. Start with a large print and complement it with smaller, coordinated patterns. Remember, it's all about creating a balance. And now, to the bed itself. Having a myriad of pillows might look cozy, but it could also lead to a cluttered and messy look. After all, you're not going to be sleeping on that bed with 15 pillows stacked on it, are you? Nope, they're just going to end up on the floor or somewhere else and become tomorrow's problem. Stick to a few statement pillows and remember to proportion them according to your bed size. The key is to create an inviting, comfortable, and stylish space. It's all well and good having an aesthetic-looking room, but unless it's comfortable and functional too, all you've done is create an art piece. While we're talking about beds, remember to add volume to your bed. A bed that's too flat gives off a sterile, unwelcoming vibe. Use plush, comfortable bedding, and a variety of pillow sizes to add depth and dimension to your bed. Now, let's address the final mistake for today's video, ignoring the ceiling. The ceiling is often referred to as the fifth wall, yet it's often ignored. Neglecting to consider the ceiling in your bedroom design is a missed opportunity. Consider painting it a light colour, or adding some elegant crown moulding, or, if you're feeling adventurous, Try some soft patterns or even a mural. The ceiling could also be a great place to hang a statement light fixture. While we're on the topic of lighting, here's a bonus tip for you. Consider different types of lighting sources for your bedroom, from ambient lighting which helps set the mood, task lighting, which is important for specific tasks, such as a small overarching lamp next to your nightstand to let your inner bookworm come out before bedtime, and accent lighting, which will help highlight a key area of your bedroom or a focal point. You can have the most beautiful bedroom in the world, but if you have absolutely no lighting except for the standard light that comes with your house, then you're destroying all your hard work. Go for sleek pieces such as a nice table lamp on your nightstand, recessed lighting in your ceiling, maybe even some ambient lighting on your chest of drawers. And that's a wrap on today's video. These are some of the most common bedroom design mistakes that I've seen. Remember, your bedroom is your sanctuary, a place where you can rest, relax, and rejuvenate. Design it with love and care. Avoid these mistakes, and I guarantee you'll have a space that not only looks great, but also feels great. Feel free to express your personality and style in your home. After all, your home should be a reflection of you. Remember, design is not about making things just look pretty. It's about making things work for you. So keep designing, keep experimenting, and keep making your space a better place to live in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Happy decorating, and I'll see you on my next video.